Here I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to set up custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera and tap here to access its settings. Then go to the watermark, and when you have watermark enabled, you can add author name here, which is like custom text, which you can add. You can add your name or your surname, or I don't know, maybe some quote that inspires you or something like that. I'll just gonna enter my real name, HardReset.Info, and as you can see, that's how it will look like on a picture, like my device name, my name, date. If you want, you can disable date or device model or location and leave only your name on watermark. Okay, you have to select at least one. Then it could be date. And you can change also watermark position. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.